What do we got here, man?
An engine.
Oh, really? So what's in the agenda for today? What are you doing?
Trying to put the engine in the car.
Like on there, that's it? Like official? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know last time he said and I said that the engine was for sale, and I had some of you guys message me. Well, he ended up keeping the engine. He's gonna actually finish off the whole restoration. He's gonna do the 5.0 swap on his Fox body. And I'm gonna go ahead and walk around the Fox body, just showing you guys what's gonna go on today and what's been done. Since high school, he used to drive it around. It was his daily driver back then. So he's trying to restore it completely. Back in high school, obviously, we can't restore it and we don't have the funds for that. But now he took this about a couple months back to this place. They were actually gonna restore it. They were gonna put like all the body work, all the rust. They're gonna take care of it. What happened there, I mean, we're not talking bad about the guy, but he took a workload of other cars and he kept putting this car
In the back burner.
yeah, just in the back, and he kept it up next week, next month, next week, and that kept happening. Never got done. What you do? And so what happened was that he brought it back. He had already given the guy the money up front, which I don't know if it's a mistake or not, but the guy asked for some money. He gave it to him, and almost like maybe half a year, a little bit less, a little bit more.
Beginning December, end of December, beginning January.
Yeah, so a couple of months there. And so we brought it back. The guy just gave him like a partial refund because he didn't finish it. And he was like, you know what? Like, I've had it. I want my car back. I have the engine here. I'm ready to move forward with this build. And it's been sitting in his garage in the guy's shop, and nothing ever got finished. So what happened the other day, I came by. I didn't film anything, but we did use, was it Bondo, right? The body filler. We used body filler, and we pretty much the whole engine bay. We primed it. We sanded it. So this is the engine bay right now. Looks pretty good. I did this side, believe it or not, guys, and he did this side. I think his side's just a lot better. You can see where I still had some mistakes, but we did prime it. I mean, not bad for an at-home garage job, but this is it. What year is it?
84.
84.
Four-eyed.
Four-eyed. I don't like the four-eyed. He does. I prefer like the 91 and up Fox bodies, the hatchbacks. I mean, maybe one day I'll be able to own one, but I mean, still a cool build. I believe like this car blacked out with chrome wheels is just the right perfect build. But right, again, he does have the F-150 engine. It's already finished up, right? Everything's good to go?
Yeah.
Cleaned out.
I just need to file this for the alternator, which
Okay.
is gonna be facing rear.
Because you have to do adjustments, right? Yeah, because it doesn't fit in just a simple like plug in like that. He has to do some adjustments, move some of the stuff around. But you can see he does have the BBK headers, which is pretty badass, man. The transmission's mounted, everything's on. Once that's on, well, you already removed the K member? What?
Yeah, it's already off.
Okay, he removed it. We're gonna put it back on. So I'm gonna give him a helping hand with that. But other than that, once that's on there, everything that's pretty much it, right? You have everything completed for the build.
No, I still need the cluster and the X-pipe and the muffler.
Okay, so I mean, it shouldn't take long, but once all that's on there, I think just the interior needs some revival and then just the paint job, and it should be good to go. I think he needs also a dashboard. So guys, I mean, I don't know if any of you guys are like in the auto body industry or stuff like that, but if you can't get us, what do you need? The dashboard, right?
Yeah, it's just a dash. It's cracked.
Yeah, because the one he has right here is stock one, but it's the original one, the OEM is cracked.
Okay.
So he is looking for the OEM one. If y'all can help me find one, please let me know. I know it's not my typical V6 Mustang video, guys. I am going to be helping him out with his Fox body. Hopefully you guys are still interested and still stay on with the video. But this whole video is going to be just helping him out. Maybe we can get that mounted on here today and I can get that on video for you guys. But if you guys are interested in this build and his build, he does have a YouTube channel. You're currently sitting like at what, 120 subscribers?
30.
It's 130? Okay. 130. It is Forgotten Fox Body, guys. Go ahead and check him out. Make sure to subscribe and just watch out his videos. I think he does just pretty much what like a little time loop thing where everything's just going off fast. He does some vlogging here and there, but it's just the whole process of him rebuilding it.
I'm still shy.
Yeah, he's still shy. So I mean, I told him it takes a while to get used to talking to the camera like I'm doing right now, and even then I still get nervous. But I hope you guys do enjoy the video. All right, so this guy left me alone. He told me to lift the car up to the differential because we're gonna remove these jack stands. Because for some reason he said we're gonna, oh, there's back. We're gonna lift the car at like an angle, which is the rear on the bottomed out and the top pointing up. Because what?
So we can just slide the engine inside.
Okay, so he's gonna put the engine, drop it onto that little cart, right?
Yep.
Yeah, under the cart, and then we're gonna slide the cart under where the motor goes, and then that's where we'll drop the front end of the car. That way we can put the engine where it's supposed to go. I mean, this is what we got to work with, so see what we got.
There you go, guys. This guy's a model.
So I don't know if any of this is safe, but I don't even know this is like an idea from anywhere.
OSHA approved.
It's what?
OSHA.
OSHA approved. So he wrapped the front with the chain and he's using this engine crane thing to pick it up, lift it up from the front. And now we're gonna just roll it back. That way we can put the engine, roll it down under here. I would have never thought about that. I don't even know it's safe, but I mean, this is the Mexican, Hispanic way of doing things as a mechanic. So, I mean, it looks like it's working. So there he goes. I don't know. Let me know if anybody's ever done something like this or seen anyone do this.
They have.
Who have you seen done this? People. It works better than a jack. One crazy mofo, dude. There you go. Alright, let me put the camera down, guys. So we have the engine, transmission, headers, everything right under the engine compartment. So we're gonna see if we made a good fit, lower it down. I think it's gonna be a little bit crooked. Yeah, it's gonna be touching on this side. Test one fitment didn't work. It was touching, what are these called? I don't know.
Sway bars.
The sway bars right there. The bracket. So he's gonna try to take off the valve covers and see if it'll make enough room for it to go in through this side and that side. And we got clearance, ladies and gentlemen. The engine has been lifted up. Instead of saying dropped in, it's lifted up in there. And now we gotta just bolt down the K-member bolts right there and just have it done and dandy. And what's next after the K-member?
Transmission cross member. Put the valve cover. Line up the hydraulic boost to the power steering, and put the power steering rack, the coilovers, the brake disc.
Today? Oh, I'm leaving. I'm not. I have a 5-hour shift to work on the Fox. We got the K-member bolts on and some other bolts, which I have no idea what we're putting on there, but I'm just following instructions. So this means we have the whole K-member already installed, just tightening it down, and then we're gonna keep moving on to the next one. Guys never do that. Alright guys, we're installing right now the camber plates on both sides. The engine is in, transmission is bolted on. All that's left is what, just the other accessories?
A hydro boost.
Hydro boost,
Connect the clutch cable. The intake, radiator, AC, alternator, dash, electronic dash, and exhaust.
And exhaust. So it's coming along right now, guys. So we're just doing like the accessories, all the small stuff. But the big thing is that was just the engine, right? That's the hardest. Yeah. So pretty much everything's already on. So we're just gonna continue with the grind right now, and I'll just keep you guys updated as we go. Brakes are about to go on. Camber plates bolted on. I feel like it's been a lot. I mean, we've gotten a lot done in the past hour and a half or so. It's not that hard. It's like putting a damn Lego together.
What?
A Lego.
I guess.
I mean, it's just a bunch of bolts and just finding the proper fitment. Oops. I didn't even do anything. You know what? We do this. Officially, me here tonight. I'm done helping them out. Pretty badass. Let me give you guys a overall general update. So pretty cool. We were able to put the engine in. Again, this is a 5.0 Coyote off of an F-150. It fits perfectly. We were able to put the coilovers, the camber plates, the brakes, the steering rack down there, and the K-member, transmission mount, everything is on. I mean, y'all saw at the beginning of the video, this thing was completely empty under and on top in here. So all this is done. He's gonna continue. I need to leave because I gotta go home. If you guys are interested in his build, Forgotten Fox Body, check him out, guys. We have some stuff coming on for the V6 soon. Some performance mods and some suspension mods that I got a package from one of you guys, my subscribers, so stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.